So what's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys some of my TEXTEVO presets I made, and I'm actually giving it to you guys for free. So without wasting time, guys, let's get into the video. So if you have your TEXTEVO script in After Effects, if you don't see it, this is mine and this is my alphabet here. If you don't see it, go to your Windows and go down to your script. So you'll find your TEXTEVO. So this is arranged according to alphabets. So you know the T is down, so you'll find it here, TEXTEVO. So just click on it. If you click on it, you're not going to have it here like mine. You're going to have it something like this. The only thing is just drag it and drag it to anywhere you want. So I've made a video on TEXTEVO, but today I'm going to show you some presets I created using TEXTEVO, and I'm going to give it to you guys for free. What you have to do now is, if you install the TEXTEVO, go to your documents where you have your document, and you're going to see a folder called TEXTEVO. So this is mine. So this is my TEXTEVO, and this is a preset. Mind you, TEXTEVO doesn't come with presets, but the more you save, that's the more it's going to create a preset folder for you. So if you don't have this folder in your document, what you have to do now is just go to the TEXTEVO, just create one of this, and it's going to create a text for you. Just go to this side here, click on this, and click on add, and just give it a name like tutorials, and hit on OK. So this is actually going to save this, and if you go back to your document, you are going to see a folder created with TEXTEVO, and you're going to see a folder called preset 2, and you're going to see your preset here called tutorials. So if you don't have the TEXTEVO folder, this is how you can do so that you get a folder in your document. So with this, just download my preset, highlight everything. It's a zip file, just extract it and copy everything to this location here. Then restart your After Effects, and if you go to restart your After Effects and you go to this side here, just click on it, you're going to get the preset here. So you can try any one of them what you want. So with this, let me remove this. Let me go to the bin here and remove this, and I'm going to just select one preset. So I'll go for this and hit on apply. So hit U to bring your keyframes, and let's play this. So we have something cool like this. So have something like this. So let me delete this too. So go to delete, and let me go for this. We have something like this too, and let's apply another one. So go for this, apply. So also have a cool animation like this. So all depends on you, and just go through them and just select the one you desire. You can also create them using the keyframes here. So you can just go through and go to styles, you can go to transform and just make your changes. So with this, you can also add your, so let me pre-compose this, and I'll add, so I'm add the stabilizer to this, and I'll go for something like this, and I'll just change some settings here. So with this, I'll just apply my glow. So at the end, this is what we have here. Hey guys, so this is TEXTEVO, and this is my preset. So make sure you download the preset, link in the video description, or check my PAYHIP, link is in the description. And just, I showed you how to do it. Just copy the zip file, what is in the zip file, go to your TEXTEVO preset folder in your documents, and just paste the preset inside. Just try and see the one that you allow, then just keep that one for your edit. So guys, that was your time. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next post. Peace.